to make a move to a town that's right for me.
Boys, it's freezing. Look at that. How cold is that? Jesus.
Bro, look at this fucking snow. Oh, fuck. Oh, my shoe. No!
Bro, it's not funny, dude.
You on the mission, Big Sal? Let's go, Big Sal. You on the mission, Big Sal? Let's go, Big Sal. Go tackle that Sal. Go tackle that Sal.
She just failed. Look at the face print in the slime.